If you're over 60, pay close attention. These common breakfast mistakes could be secretly stealing your strength, making you feel tired and weak all day long. Are you ready to find out what they are and how to fix them? Let's dive in. First up, the biggest mistake of all, skipping breakfast entirely. When you skip that first meal, your body is in a catabolic state, meaning it starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy. Think of it like this: your muscles are literally being eaten for fuel. That's the exact opposite of what we want, especially as we get older and naturally fight against muscle loss. So, rule number 1 is to always eat breakfast. Mistake number 2 is starting your day with a sugar bomb. That colorful box of cereal or that giant muffin might seem like a quick and easy option, but it's a trap. These foods cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar, followed by a hard crash. You get a short burst of energy, but it's not the kind that builds strength. It's just empty calories that leave you feeling sluggish and hungry again an hour later. Instead of real, lasting fuel, you just getting a temporary sugar high that does nothing for your muscles or your overall energy levels. Let's talk about yogurt. Many people reach for regular, often fruit-flavored yogurt thinking it's a healthy choice. But here's the catch: it's often loaded with sugar and has surprisingly little protein. If you swap that regular yogurt for a serving of plain Greek yogurt, you instantly double your protein intake. Protein is the absolute cornerstone for building and maintaining muscle mass. Choosing the right kind of yogurt can make a huge difference in meeting your daily protein needs and fighting off age-related muscle decline. Another common pitfall is how you prepare your oatmeal. A bowl of instant oatmeal with brown sugar or maple syrup is another blood sugar roller coaster waiting to happen. While oats are good, the added sugar negates many of the benefits. A much better choice is to use plain rolled oats and top them with natural sweeteners like a handful of fresh berries. Berries add fiber and antioxidants without the dramatic sugar spike, giving you sustained energy and a nutrient boost. Now, for a food that many people overlook, cottage cheese. Avoiding cottage cheese, especially in the evening or morning, means you're missing out on a powerhouse of slow-digesting casein protein. This type of protein provides a steady release of amino acids to your muscles, which is perfect for overnight repair and growth. A small bowl before bed or with your breakfast can literally help your body rebuild muscle while you rest. It's a simple addition that delivers incredible benefits for muscle maintenance. What about your morning coffee? Many of us can't start the day without it, but drinking coffee on an empty stomach is a big mistake. The caffeine can increase cortisol, your body's stress hormone. This can interfere with blood sugar regulation and digestion. Instead of waking you up, it can just put your body under more stress. The solution is simple: eat your protein-rich breakfast first, and then enjoy your cup of coffee. Treat coffee as a pleasant addition to your meal, not the meal itself. And finally, let's address the classic white toast. It's comforting, but it's essentially a nutrient-void food. It's made from refined flour, which has been stripped of its fiber and nutrients. It digests quickly, spikes your blood sugar, and provides almost no lasting value. It's the definition of empty calories. If you love toast, switch to a whole grain or sourdough bread. And make sure you top it with something substantial like avocado or eggs, not just butter and jam. Beyond these specific food choices, there's a bigger picture: micronutrient deficiencies. If your breakfast and your diet in general is lacking in key nutrients like protein, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B12, you will feel it. These aren't just letters on a vitamin bottle. They're critical for energy production, muscle function, and nerve health. Low levels directly lead to fatigue, weakness, and poor balance. Leucine, an amino acid found in high-quality protein, is especially important as it acts like a switch that turns on muscle protein synthesis. So, how do you put this all together? Building the perfect breakfast after 60 isn't complicated. Focus on the protein first rule. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in your morning meal. This could be from eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a high-quality protein powder mixed into a smoothie. Pair your protein with healthy fats like avocado or nuts, and complex carbohydrates like whole grain toast or berries. This combination will give you steady, sustained energy, keep you full for hours, and provide the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Fixing your breakfast is one of the most powerful changes you can make for your health. It can dramatically improve your strength, balance, daily energy, and mobility. After 60, breakfast isn't just a light meal to tide you over. It's the most important fuel of your day. It's your opportunity to actively rebuild and re-energize your body. Thanks for watching. Start making these simple swaps tomorrow and feel the difference for yourself. For more simple age-smart nutrition tips that help you build strength and energy, make sure to follow our channel. We're here to help you thrive.